Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this mini Bluetooth printer. This is really neat. They actually come with 7 rolls of paper. They put 1 in here for you. You get 3 colors and then 3 white. And you just download the app. It has all of the play on here as far as how to do it. Easily connected onto Bluetooth, and you have a rechargeable plug here. Now, if you wanted to print something out, this is a great way to do it because it's inkless. You don't have to keep going in and redoing anything. So if you wanted to print out a picture, you just can take a picture. Then you go through the app and it can actually just print it all. So we just say use photo and we'll check mark it. Then we just show print now and off it goes. This comes right out. It is going to be a black and white picture, but these are really nice for little kids to be able to use. You can also do a variety of different things with this, but it's a really nice way to show all of your different pictures and have them out, and they come in different sizes. We did this one earlier as just a square. This one is a longer rectangle. So it's really nice that you have those options of sizes, and you can actually just take this with you. It's nice and small. It's a great little printer to have on the go.